rescuing an incapacitated operative from height in the Pecolift or Ecolift. If you attend the scene of an incapacitated machine operator, stop and check the area for personal risk. Ask, why is the machine user incapacitated? Shout for help. If safe to do so, locate the emergency lowering tool and remove it from its fixings. Stand to the side of the machine. Attach the hook end of the emergency lowering tool to the flywheel handle. Depending on the height of the elevated platform, it may be necessary to extend the shaft of the Ecolift rescue tool. Turn the shaft lock anti-clockwise, then extend. Turn clockwise to lock at the desired position. If the hook is difficult to engage, apply pressure to the handle and wiggle the bar from side to side to release. Turn the wheel anti-clockwise to lower the casualty, keeping clear as the platform descends. To remove the gates, first pull the cable to release the locking pin, and then proceed to pull out the hinge pin. Do this for both top and bottom hinges. Important notes. Remove the rescue tool before removing the casualty from the platform. Never engage the rescue tool without a load on the platform. Failure to remove the tool may result in an uncontrolled release of the energy in the spring. Thanks for watching.